Hi everyone, it's Emma from Emma C Makes, and I'm just popping on to film a really quick tutorial. I've had a couple of requests asking if I can show you how I sew in the ends on these mini granny squares, and as I've got lots and lots of ends here at the moment, I thought I would take the opportunity to film a little video. So it is really easy. Let me just flip it over. So with each square, you're going to have two ends. You're going to have this one in the middle here from when you started, and then you're going to have the one here in the corner, which is the last bit that you joined. So I'm going to show you how to do the middle one first. So you'll need to take your darning needle, and I'm just going to thread this and then I'll bring it back closer to show you. So all we do with this is we're going to thread it through the base of the stitches. So we start here like this, and then just give that a pull through, and then we're going to turn it round and go through the base of the next set of stitches, and then just keep on turning and go through these ones again. And I'm going to go through one more set just to make it nice and secure, although this yarn tail is getting a bit short now. Should always make sure you leave a long enough tail. Once I've gone through that last set, what I'm going to do is pinch the yarn here at the base of the needle and just give it a little tug, and you can see that it's closed up that hole now in the middle of the granny square. And then we just need to snip that off, and that's our center one done. This one at the end is a little bit different, so again, just thread your needle ready and I'll show you what I do. So if we look at the stitches closely here, we can see we've got kind of the base of the stitches there, these bits, and then here, if you can see, I like to try and go through those, but we need to work our way towards them. So just pop under there, and then obviously we don't just want to go straight under these ones because we're going to be able to see that yarn. So we're just going to go under this stitch here and wrap around there, and I'll go through this one here, and then we can see we're at the base of these stitches here, and same as we did before, we'll just go underneath these, pull that through, go underneath this next set here, and pull that through as well. And then I'm just going to go just around these ones here just to make it nice and secure. So we'll go to the corner, and then again through these ones, and you don't have to pull these ones tight because we don't want to close anything up. So just pull it through and let that yarn come off the needle and give it a really gentle tug just to make sure it's all the way through. So we've taken the end, we started off here and we've worked our way under the stitches until we got to these base of these stitches here, and then we've just threaded all our way around, and then we can just snip that end off. And that is basically how you sew in your ends. So I hope that you found that helpful. I would be really grateful if you would like and subscribe if you did, and I'll be back again soon with another video. Take care everyone, bye.